So welcome everyone to the Black Platinum channel. So without wasting any time, let's begin. So first of all, you have to copy and paste the source code from the description. So here's the source code. So as you know that this is the HTML part till here. Yeah. So and this is the CSS part from style to here, and we will work on the JavaScript part, that is the script till here. Yeah. So here we have used so many variables in this. You can see the var, like the var h1 v is equals to 0. So these are the variables used in this code. First of all, we are only going to work on the JavaScript part. So first of all, we have to create a canvas. So the height of the canvas and the width of the canvas is, this is the width and this is the height, and we have, it's in between the, the codes, that it's not inside the canvas, it's the function setup. So inside the canvas we will draw objects. This is the function draw. From here till here we will draw inside the canvas, and this is just a text that represents the score, and the text is written in a text box which is represented as input, and the next text is the ammo left of, or the bullets in the any scope or the gun, and the maximum bullets are 1000. Now we are coming to the draw function of the canvas objects. In the draw function, first of all we have to mention the color of the background. This is the color of the background. It may be like red color, and there's one more thing to notice over here, that in the text boxes, that is the input, I have differentiated to these two text boxes, as one is named as input and other is input 1. And over here the fill function specifies the color of the object in the canvas, that is the LZE. Over here this are the variables for LZE, that L is equal to 0, Z is equal to 0, and E is equal to 0. Okay, so the stroke is the boundary of any object, the color of the boundary of any object. Ellipse is the made by the any circle, we can say, and its position is mouse X and mouse Y, which follows the mouse, and its width and height, which is given in the variable part, and the fill function again, and the circle of the scope, and again these are the two linings in the scope, that is, one is horizontal and one is vertical. So I have given them similar way. Okay, so right here, yeah, this is the enemy which has to be shooted, and its color is q comma 0 comma 0, where q's value is given in the variable, and this is its position, x position, and its y position, and this specifies that it moves, and this is the speed of the that or whatever the speed is of when it moves, which is given, the nx speed is given over in the variable part, and similar to the ny, and Now we have here some conditions over here. This condition, the first condition, is that all these conditions over here till over here, all the conditions are for the enemies, that if enemy touches the boundary, it will reflect depending on its speed. That is, speed will decrease or increase, or it will be in negative or positive. Then the other condition is that if mouse is pressed, then the mouse is clicked, then the input one dot value is about the bullets used or the ammo used or left. That is, if it is the mouse is pressed, its value will decrease by 1. And here, if the value is 0, then the speed of the enemy will get 0. That it will lie on the it will die. It will not move. And the last condition is that if mouse is pressed in that particular, I have specified this complicated a bit. So if mouse is pressed on the enemy, the value of the score increases, and the color also get red. The color of the enemy gets red, and if it is not touched or clicked or pressed, else the Q is equals to 0. Q is the color, and it becomes 0. So thank you for watching, and please like, share and subscribe.